Welcome to Matters Financial and Geopolitical from a Frontier. Thank you for stopping by. Don't forget, you can catch us on Metropole TV, 8 to 9 p.m. every evening. But let me first of all start by how much I'm looking forward to hosting Professor Howard French at Mindspeak. Howard French is an author, a journalist, a professor. He's really multi-talented and has made his speciality China, Africa in particular, amongst other matters. Let's move on to the currency markets now. Euro dollar 112.35, dollar index 97.325. It was all about the yen yesterday, huge rally. Touched 109, or close enough. Now where are we? 109.66. Swiss franc 10072. The pound 129.45, the Australian dollar 0.6943, India rupee 70.396, South Korean won 1186.95, that's a multi-year low. Brazilian real testing for 3.9933, Egyptian pound 17.08, and the rand 14.2434. Dollar index, this is a 3-month chart, we're at 97.325. We've retraced some, in particular there's been a bid for safe haven currencies. The yen, the Swiss franc has rebounded as well. But overall, I think the dollar story is very much intact. Bitcoin bulls heading for collision with bears. Price jumped above 8,000, we're at 80.75 now. But Holger's pointing out that speculators have ramped up their short positions. I wrote about Bitcoin because it was my recommended trade in 2016, or was it 2017? And I said then, if you spend your life deeply immersed in the markets, then it is necessary to sniff out these parabolic moves. And it's better to do right than say right, as Edwin Lefebvre noted nearly a century ago. Or as T.S. Eliot said in The Hollow Men, between the idea and the reality, between the motion and the act, falls the shadow, for thine is the kingdom. In 2017, my investment thesis was that Bitcoin was going to get mainstreamed, and it got mainstreamed that year beyond my wildest dreams. Regaining control of the narrative on price today is critical to the price of Bitcoin. Listen to this, a 1 standard deviation increase in the Twitter post count for the word Bitcoin yields a 2.5% increase in week ahead Bitcoin returns. More than 2 million Bitcoin addresses hold more than $1,000. Only about 118,000 have more than $100,000. They're called the whales. Social media remains fertile territory for those looking for suckers. Facebook and Alphabet's Google have watered down their ban on crypto promotional ads, and Facebook is said to be working on its own cryptocurrency. There might be time for another spin of the Lamborghini before the next regulatory crackdown. What's interesting, however, is Bitcoin's percentage share of the capitalization of total cryptocurrency market is now 60%. So it's been a story predominantly about Bitcoin. Alibaba and Tencent will offer glimpses into China's economy when they unveil earnings this week. China's most valuable corporations will offer glimpses into the world's second largest economy when they unveil earnings. Look at this. This is the Tesla 2025 yield spread. Not a good sign. Gold, $12.9808. Crude oil, $61.05. That came off on worries about the trade war. Gold was bid up because it is, as Ben Bernanke once said, protection against tail risks. Emerging markets risky assets are making an impressive U-turn, i.e. downturn, in returns in recent days.